What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to use brushes or change the brush shape in Photoshop. So here I have an image and I want a brush like in black. So if I choose the brush tool here and make sure the black color is selected in the foreground and I go ahead and make strokes, that's a very normal brush, as you can see, like a circular brush. So to change the brush size and like shape, just go to the brush tool here, the brush settings. You can see that there are many brushes to choose from. So this one, for example, gives you like a different shape to brush with. And you can also change the size from here of the brush, or change the angles and the roundness and many other settings for the brushes. And you can also download and add new brushes to your collection.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.